Hopefully these white shoes stay white, but this trail looks pretty clean. I'll keep crying for a second for the camera.
Crying for the camera.
She's sad. Amy made her mad. Amy wouldn't let her jump in the waterfall, now she's mad. See, I knew you could walk.
Oh, you gotta go.
Oh, yeah. I'll wait till we get to the top because I can bet, look at that water.
I bet the views are gonna be spectacular.
Like, we keep seeing views that way and this way, but when we get to the top, we're gonna see a 360.
I wonder if you could see like a 360 outpost. Get one
the
of those,
tower. Oh.
Panoramic. You know?
Oh, I mean, you could go on top of that tower, and then you definitely might be able to if it takes us to the roof. Damn, I'm sweating.
Here's the tower.
You want me to pick you up?
Oh, that's.
She got it.
You got it. All the way to the tower. You got it.
She just needs help stepping over this.
We'll go front and stay there.
Oh, we're here.
Sweet. It's like a legit castle.
This looks sick.
Yeah. Okay. All right, hold on right here for 1 second. Let's get a picture outside. Right here, come here. We're gonna take a picture right here. Then we're going up.
Whoa.
We'll blur out the shoe.
Okay, just stay away from the wall.
We're coming down, we're coming down, we're coming down.
Stay to the right, Evan.
Sorry.
You're good.
Backpack doesn't give me.
Stay to the right, Evan.
Alright, thank you.
Yep, all right, go ahead.
Yeah.
Are you recording her?
Yeah.
Going up?
Yeah. Look. It's like rock. Oh yeah.
Did it.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
How old is she?
2.5.
Oh my goodness. Good job, girl.
Good job, Evan. Come here.
Check this out.
Come on. Deserve to see the views now.
Check it out. Look at that.
Let me get like a...
Breeze is great.
Made it. Made it to the top. Okay. This little tree.
If it was raining, fucking for sure will be sleeping.
Should I swing on this?
I thought about wearing flip-flops.
Oh, you're tired.
I know this is too much. I was like, I can walk through those rocks.
Now come with me.
Yeah, yeah. And then you locked it.
You got it?
Okay. Yeah.
I saw you guys.
Take her and hold her. Just wait for me.
You're not gonna wear a flip-flop.
Yeah, I'll take her. I gotcha.
Take him here.
You're not that heavy.
Oh no. Just wait. All right, go ahead.
You good, Emily?
Ooh, beauteous.
Like you said, though, he's underwater.
Oh!
Those big ass rocks are slippery as hell. I don't think I can do it though. I don't know.
I'll do it. I can feel it.
The big rocks are not that far.
You wanna go in the water? Wanna go in the waterfall? Wanna go in the waterfall? It's gonna be really cold though.
We all paid to get in here.
You wanna go in?
Yeah.
We take her in the waterfall.
Right there.
Oh, go back. Here, wait. Let me take this so this doesn't get wet.
Oh, okay.
Go.
You gotta come here. It's gonna be really cold. It's gonna be. I won't. It's gonna be really cold.
Mace, you might not even have to go in all the way.
Before you wet her, let me get my camera.
It is slippery.
Her
as
hair
shit.
still looks good. Yeah, hair left.
Her hair's gonna be slicked back.
No, we're gonna take a quick picture and then I'll put you down.
The water's like salty a little bit. I taste it.
I was 8 months
I'm about to take you in.
just like this and it was
You ready? It's really cold.
Walk slow. Come over and let me know just in case.
Get ready. It's really. Feel it? Is it cold? I got it. Is it cold? It's too cold? Was that cold? Is it cold?
Yeah, I'm in.
Oh, it's so cold! Was it cold? Oh yeah. This bitch is crazy.